Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make Nigerian beef suya, and if you want to know how I achieved this delicious suya, stay tuned to the end of this video. So guys, to begin I will start by washing the meat, and here is the meat I'm gonna use for this beef suya. So what you just have to do is to wash your meat. Next is my skewers. I'm gonna soak it inside water so that the stick doesn't get burnt when grilling the meat. Next is to mix the suya spices, and you can mix as much as you want. Yes guys. And the next step is to add in my garlic powder. And before I forget, all these ingredients you can also get it in any African shop in Europe. So next is to add garlic powder. So guys, as you can see, the meat is pretty much, so I'm adding the spices according to the size of the meat. And next is optional, you can as well skip it. I just decided to mix it together because they all serve the same thing, so they are all suya spice. Next is to add in your pepper, and I'm using dry red pepper, and the pepper is extra hot. And here is my Benny spice, chicken flavor. Just add in any spices you want to add. And the next one is to add in my Maggi seasoning, and mix everything together. At this stage you just have to add in any spices you want to add for your suya spice, and mix it together, and that is it. So guys, right now I'm done mixing all the spices I need, and this is how it's looking. Next is to go ahead and slice the beef to the size we need. And before cutting your meat, make sure that your knife is sharp enough. So guys, as you are slicing the meat, make sure it's skinny, like so skinny. The reason why you need to cut it very thin is to make it cook faster. So guys, you have to take note when you are cutting your meat. Make sure your knife is sharp. So next is to put the meat inside the skewers. Guys, take notes, this skewers is so sharp, so you need to be very careful when doing this part. Okay guys. So guys, right now I'm done fixing the whole beef inside the skewers. The next is to rub it inside the suya spice. Make sure you rub it very well, as in they married each other inside, like you understand what I mean. Just make sure you apply the spices all over the beef. Yeah. So guys, if you're watching me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Why don't you subscribe and let's be friends by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you so much. So guys, at this moment all you need to do is to apply some vegetable oil on the suya. Yes guys, you can use any vegetable oil or groundnut oil, it doesn't matter. Then next is to transfer it in your oven to grill. This doesn't take time in the oven, highest 10 minutes or 15 minutes is ready. So continue watching guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, right now the meat is almost ready but a little bit dried, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit of vegetable oil on it. Yeah, and leave it for some minutes and the suya is ready.
A few moments later.
So guys, our beef suya is ready and the taste is awesome. Oh my goodness, it's sugary lekker. I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share to your friend, and don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section down below. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.
Yo.